Sometimes in life you get lucky. I needed a new hard drive, but the price of hard drives is just through the roof right now. So I was at Walmart one day and they had this for $109. Meanwhile they're selling 2 terabyte ones for $129. So I thought, well, $109 is a pretty good deal. So I get it. Quick rings it up. Ooh, nice sound. And it rings up as 49 bucks. Can you believe that? So check your Walmart. Maybe they're clearing these out. I don't know. I'm not going to question my good luck. So much paper. Congratulations. Well, thank you. I found these to be pretty decent hard drives. I've got a bunch of them. I don't think I've had any problems with any of them. Watch me jinx myself.